Hello, hi everyone. I have just listed four problem. Four problem is of Bihar Board PYQ. Okay, so we'll solve one by one. So first problem is integration of log 2 dx. Okay, so log 2 is constant, right? We can write like this. Correct. So this and differentiation of dx, integration of dx is x. So log 2 into x plus c. Correct. So this is the answer of your first problem. Correct. Very simple. Okay. So we can rub this. Now the second one. Second one is what? Tan 4x dx. Correct. This can be written like tan square x again tan square x dx. Correct. So we can write like this. Tan square, right? We can write sec square x minus 1 tan square x dx. Correct. So in the next step, what we can write? Sec square x tan square x dx minus tan square x dx. Correct. So this is, we can write like this. Correct. If we let here sec square, tan square is equal to t. Correct. So we can do it in the next step like this also. Sec square x tan square x dx minus, this can be written sec square x minus 1 dx. Correct. So here this is sec square x tan square x dx minus sec square x dx plus dx. Correct. So here if we let, what we let tan square tan x is equal to t, then sec square x dx is equal to dt. So here it can be t square. Correct. Because in place of tan t, right, dt plus here this is minus, right? So minus sec square x dx. Correct. And here this will be x. Correct. Now what we can do here, this is t to power 3 by 3 minus this is tan x. Correct. Plus x. Correct. Plus c. Okay, so in t, what we can write? Tan x. Correct. So tan qx by 3. Correct. Minus tan x plus x plus c. So this is answer of your second problem. Correct. So there is no issue, right? Answer of this is what? Tan qx divided by 3 minus tan x plus c. Okay. So we can wrap this. We can do another one. Okay. So another one, third one is what? A sin qx plus b cos qx and divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Correct. Now what we can do? We can do separate it out. A sin qx and here sin square x cos square x dx plus b cos qx and here sin square x cos square x dx. Correct? So this got cancelled. Here this got cancelled. So here a is the constant, we can bring it out. So this is tan x sec x plus b cot x cosec x dx. Correct? So now this is sec x integration, right? So a sec x plus minus b cosec x. The integration of cot x into cot x is equal to minus cosec x. So that's why minus here. Correct? And plus c. So this is answer if your second problem, third problem. Okay. So what is answer? A sec x minus b cosec x plus c. Okay. Now we'll do fourth one, last one. Okay. So fourth one is what? Correct. So this is your problem. 5 to the power 5 to the power 5x into 5 to the power 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x dx. Okay. So this is the problem. So here we'll let 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 to the power x is equal to t. Correct. Then first we'll do the differentiation. Okay. So here if we do the differentiation of like this, okay, then in the term of what we can do, 5 to the power 5 to the power x. Correct? So now we can do 5 to the power 5 to the power x and here 5 to the power x into here this one, correct, 5 to the power x and here dx. Correct? This is fine, right? So now if we do like this, what we will get it? So here we get 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 x log 5 and here what we will get? 5 to the power 5. Correct? 5 to the power 5 x here log 5. Correct? And similarly here also 5 to the power 5 5 to the power x, here we will get 5 to the power x log x. Correct? This much we will get it. Correct? Now what we have now? Correct? So this is what we got it. Now we can bring the t log x that side. So here you have 5 to the power 5. Okay, we can write little down. 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 x. Here 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 x. Correct? And here 5x. Correct? This is what we have, this much dx. Correct? And this is 1 by log 5 q dt. Correct? So this much is understood, right? And here it was what? dt by dx. Correct? We can write like this, dt by dx. So now dx went this side and dt was here and this log to the power log, this is also log 5, right? Okay, this is log 5. So log 5, log 5, log 5, log to the power q, log 5 to the power q. So this all three went this side, correct? So now this much we have, so correct. So now we can do what, the integration of this, right? So here we can constant, we can bring it out. So log 5 ka q and here dt, correct? So here now what, 1 by log 5 q plus into t, here we can write t plus c, correct? So what is t over here? T is this, correct? So we can write over here is answer 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 to the power x divided by log 5 ka q plus c, correct? So here this is main point to remember when you are doing the differentiation, right? So this has to be written with respect to what? So like this only you have to do it, correct? So here this much, right, with respect to this much 5 to the power 5x, and this again this has to be differentiated with respect to 5 to the power this much, correct? Now this much has to be like this. Now this is with respect to x. So log 5 is the base, correct? So log 5 will always be into like whatever is on the base, right? Here 5, so log 5, here also base 5, so log 5, here also base 5, so log 5, correct? So this is a differentiation formula. If you remember this, okay, what is the formula over here? A to the power x. Okay, so differentiation of a to the power x is what? A to the power log a into a to the power x. This is the formula. Okay, so you should remember this. Okay, so now we have solved all the problem. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.